Ariel the mermaid is presenting at the board. Oh no, not the fire alarm! Here comes my tail! How do I impress my classmates? With the mermaid magic! No one even looked! It's all because of the unicorn! Where's this noise coming from? I can touch my nose with my tongue! Really? Come on, come on! Will it work? She did it! You're awesome! What's so special about that? Why is that unicorn so popular? I have to figure out her secret. Is it the way she looks? I know! It's hard not to notice this t-shirt. Attach a seashell stencil to a t-shirt. Put cardboard inside. Color it with fabric paint. Apply fabric glue after it dries. Sprinkle it with glitter. Remove the stencil. Dave, notice me! Yeah, it's impressive! Move! I can't see! Unicorn imitating the teacher turned out to be more interesting than Ariel's t-shirt. Eva, that was your final warning! I want to talk to your dad! Call him right now! That's impossible! My phone isn't working! I'll help! My magical song can summon anyone! What are you doing? Thanks a lot! Here's your dad! Happy to help! Eva is failing her classes! That's unacceptable! You're grounded! Whoops! I shouldn't have tried to help! This looks like the most boring class ever! I'll take care of the teacher! Go, unicorn! Of course! Magical unicorn pollen! It makes you fall asleep right away! Sweet dreams! Guys, let's go! Ariel, hurry up! Coming! But my tail is making it hard! Where are you going? Class isn't over yet! Go back to your desk! Well, my chances to be popular are pretty slim now. That was an awful day! I need to cheer myself up somehow! So pretty! This face mask looks good on me! Whoa! My tail! It turned into legs! Oh no! Not a pimple! I have to cover it up! My headband will be good for that! Glue a horn to a headband. Make glitter foam paper ears. Add fake flowers. And colorful hair extensions. Hi, everyone! Is that a unicorn horn? Ariel, can I adjust your headband a little? It slipped. No, no! What have you done? That unicorn ruins everything! Stupid pimple! I'll get rid of you! Uh-oh! There's a horn where the pimple used to be! Welcome to the cooking battle! Go! I'll make my signature burger! A burger is so basic! I'll use magic! A perfectly cut bun and tomatoes! Concentration is key! A patty made according to SpongeBob's recipe! I'm gonna work my magic! Cheese! Ocean magic, don't let me down! My perfect burger is done! Ready! I just have to decorate it! Mix 5½ ounces of sugar with 2 eggs, 5½ ounces of yogurt, and 1½ ounces of vegetable oil. Whip the ingredients. Add a pinch of vanilla sugar, 7 ounces of flour, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Whip it again. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Let it cool to add icing pastry decorations. Time's up and the judge is ready to make her decision. Can't wait to taste it. The burger is so boring.
Wow!
Whoa! I have never seen such a beautiful cupcake before. Ew! It tastes like seaweed. Where's the burger? So good! Unicorn is happy. Love is the best secret ingredient. They don't know anything about cooking. I'm exhausted. Can't wait to fall asleep. That's weird. My bed is so uncomfortable. I'll try a different pose. It didn't get any better. I can't fall asleep. Is it because of the horn? I need to relax my mind. It's useless. Stupid horn. Oh, I am so sleepy when I stand up. No wonder. Unicorn sleeps standing up. Ariel wants to talk on the phone, but she can't control her unicorn magic yet. What's wrong with my phone? I don't get it. It's that horn again. Oh, my phone is back. And my favorite case. Put printed rainbow scales under a clear case. Carefully cut out a camera hole. Hello! Ariel is presenting her report in front of the class today. My board magnet will bring me luck. Glue a piece of a toothpick to the head of a toy horse to be a horn. Attach a magnet to the side. Spray paint it. I wonder if my magic will affect the unicorn magnet. It worked! As we can see from the report, where is it? Anyway, again? Now it won't fall for sure. She did it! She's trying to ruin my presentation. Ariel, your report is still there. Why does she get away with everything? I had nothing to do with it. The class is taking a test. Oh no, I made a mistake. Ariel, do you have whiteout? I don't, but Unicorn does. Wrap a whiteout pen in light clay. Shape it like a horn. Let the clay harden and prime it. Paint it gold after it hardens. Thanks! It's so special! What? How did it happen? I need to remove it before the teacher sees. Eva, what's going on here? You get an F. But the magical whiteout turned the F into the highest grade. It wasn't me! What a disaster! The test is over for you! Thanks for the help! Sorry, I didn't mean to. Ariel has her favorite notebook that keeps her secrets. Paint a notebook white. Cut scale-shaped pieces out of foam paper. Glue them and shape a mermaid tail. Paint it pearly green. Cut a fin out of iridescent foam paper. Connect the pieces. Hot glue a snap button on. Decorate the notebook with a foam paper wave. Add a tail fastener. What an unusual notebook! I wonder what secrets are in it. Ow! It's fighting me! But I'll open it anyway. Got you! You can't run away from me! Why is there so much water? What? Mermaid and Unicorn together? Ariel just wants to be friends? Now I understand! Unicorn decided to copy Mermaid to show her good intentions. Do you like my tail? Really? Did you make yourself a tail? Yeah! You have a unicorn horn and I have a mermaid tail. Like besties! Mermaids? Unicorns? You just have to be yourself. Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us who you liked more, unicorn or mermaid. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.